I've prepared a presentation for you today based on my work with the G20 task force, which I've been invited by global leaders to join. As you know, climate change is really one of the most serious threats to the Earth and human race around the world. We have rising temperatures around the world and rising CO2 emissions. And these have resulted in many extreme climate events around the world, including flooding, wildfire, and rising sea levels. The global leaders are very, very concerned about this, and I've been honored to be invited by various global leaders to join the climate task force. But there's a lot of innovations now going on, which actually will utilize and turn the CO2 that is captured into useful product. And this is a new technology called carbon capture, utilization, and storage. There's a lot of focus in Asia on green finance growth, particularly in Hong Kong with the chief executive pushing very hard for Hong Kong to develop as a green finance hub. There's about $5 to $6 trillion being invested annually at the moment on green finance, which covers green bonds, also green investment into solar, wind, and other areas. I'd be very happy to answer any questions that you might have.
So the question is, what areas of research that we can take in relation in climate change?
Very importantly, I think innovation and international cooperation are very important in the accelerating development of renewable. It's quite often 10 years ago, CEOs and everybody was saying to me, oh, we all support clean energy and things like that, but it's far too expensive to implement. But today, there is no longer a valid argument for anybody, any CEO or any generator, to say that clean energy is more expensive than electricity that is generated from fossil fuel, because that's simply not true. And this is borne out by the internationally published survey report from the International Renewable Energy Authority.
And with that, let us all join our hands together, and thanks, Henry, again for his time.
Thank you to you all.